Hello and welcome back. This is lesson 9, A Bicycle in Good Repair, taken from your book Honeycomb. And now, I'm here to discuss MCQ. So here we go. Our first MCQ is, author's friend reached late by option A, 10 minutes, option B, 20 minutes, option C, 30 minutes, and the right option is C, 30 minutes. Number second, author waited for his friend there at that place. Option A, lawn, B, garden, C, backyard, and the right option is B, garden. Third, the author said the cycle went like this in the afternoon. Options are A, stiffly, B, smoothly, C, moderately, and the right option is A, stiffly. Number 4, the author went to the tool shed to find this. Options are A, spanner, B, wrench, C, hammer, and the right option is C, hammer. Number 5, after removing the front wheel, he blamed it on the faulty. Options are A, handle, B, bearing, C, brake, and the right option is B, bearing. Number 6 now. Initially, when the wheel was removed, certain number of iron balls came off the groove. So options are A, 12, B, 14, C, 16, and the right option is C, 16. Number 7 now. The iron balls were kept here for safety. The options are A, hat, B, pocket, C, bag, and the right option is A, hat. Number 8 now. One of his experienced friend had advised him to do this in case the gear case went wrong. Options are A, get it repaired, B, dump it, C, buy a new one, and the right option is C, buy a new one. Number 9 now. How long did he take to remove the gear case? Options are A, 5 minutes, B, 10 minutes, C, 15 minutes, and the right option is A, 5 minutes. Number 10. Next thing that he took up after the gear case was this. Options are A, wheel, B, chain, C, handle, and the right option is B, chain. Number 11. He fixed the wheel at last. Options are A, author, B, his father, C, his friend, and the right option is A, author. Number 12 now. How many iron balls could be discovered at last? Options are A, 11, B, 13, C, 16, and the right option is A, 11. Number 13 now. Who received much of the punishment between combatants? Options are A, author's friend, B, the cycle, C, both received equally, and the right option is C, both received it equally. Number 14. The author took his friend there to clean himself. Options are A, back kitchen, B, lawn, C, washroom, and the right option is A, back kitchen. So this is all.